go of my hand. See, you opened your eyes.
I didn't open my eyes, so I'm making them the best. I don't know.
You're not supposed to open your
I don't know
eyes.
what's going on.
Close your eyes.
They are.
Or close tight.
They
You
are.
don't see, you don't see anything.
No, I don't see anything. No shadow.
Okay. Will you marry me and spend the rest of your life with me?
Oh my God.
Seriously. You're supposed to say yes or no.
No, God.
Huh?
Yes. Oh my God. You are full of surprises.
It's perfect.
No.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
After marriage.
That's a whole set though, baby. That's just the start of it.
That was amazing.
I love you.
I love you.